Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to unbox Amazon's Echo Show. So this is the first generation, guys. So Amazon would have already released Echo Show, the second generation, but I don't find it much difference between these two, except this camera. So one that it got only is 1 megapixel, that got 39 megapixel. But the overall, like for the video calling, right? Actually, this is really good. Actually, yeah. Let's see. Just check guys what's I mentioned. Okay. So Alexa is happy to help. Echo connects you to Alexa. She makes life easier by letting you voice control your world. Okay, and there are so many options. You can show the baby room, tell me a bedtime story, show me the latest news, and play the top music videos. Give me a biryani recipe like that. Yeah, let's check what is the price they mentioned. The price they mentioned is around 12,000, but during the offer times we'll get around 6,000 also in Indian rupees. Okay. It can available in international prices also, but I'm in India. I'm just doing unboxing video here. Okay. This is an 8-inch HD display, smart display, guys, and it comes with Alexa also. And the other side, right, what you can see is you can hear 8-inch HD screen, camera with a built-in cover, stereo speakers, and 3.5 audio out, and a Bluetooth, and a far-field voice control, and a microphone and camera off and on button. Okay. Yeah, let's just open the box and let's pull what it's inside. Okay. Yeah, it's very beautifully packed well. Can you see that, right? I'm just pulling it over. Okay, I'm just taking it off. It has just instructions and manuals, and it got adapter also. Okay. So it's a 30-watt adapter, guys. Okay. It's really nice. And you got a pin to plug into the speakers. Okay. We cannot use any other adapter other than this. Please keep it safe. Okay. And it got just instructions on how to use it. It says the basic instructions, how to connect and configure. Yeah, let's open it now. They wrapped that some kind of cover everywhere. So I'm just removing it. Yeah, it looks really elegant and premium, guys. Okay. And it's kind of transparent. Okay, for example, right, if you see whatever, it's really transparent. But it got a shutter, camera shutter off and button. This is the shutter button I was talking about. And the quality is really nice, guys. Actually, you can feel really like highest quality. The speaker quality cannot uh, say anything bad about it. Okay, it's really awesome. And it get the first button is like a microphone on and off, and then it got volume control. And finally the last button, it is the last button is the camera shutter on and off. Okay. So let's just connect, guys. Okay. And after that we can do some kind of configuration. So I'm just taking the power cable and connect it to the back side. Okay. Even it got a 3.5 mm stereo out also. Okay. We can just connect using that. We can take that out using that also. Maybe you can use it for there is a USB. Yeah, yeah, I just connected it. Yeah, it's just turning on. It takes a little bit time. I mean, not much, little bit, like just like over 30 seconds or something like that. It just takes. And after that it just opens. Okay. Yeah, getting your device ready, and it's saying in Hindi also. Getting your device ready. The first time actually it will take a little bit time. So once you configure right, those things will not come. Okay. So first thing is like you need to select the language, a display language basically. So once you've chosen the display language, so you need to search for the networks. Then just give the then it automatically recognize that because if you purchase from Amazon, right, it automatically assigns. Actually there is option, right, you need to they'll set up everything and give it to you, okay, before even you need to configure. Okay, so this is what happened to me. I'm not configuring anything. Even it got my Wi-Fi password also, everything. Okay, because Amazon stores all the things for ourselves. Don't need to. I just click on this configurations like bedroom or what is the name and all everything. Maybe I can change it to something. I just name this at kids room, something like that. Or I just named it as Echo Show. The touch is really good, guys. It's just like a mobile touch, whatever, right? There is no just a mobile like how you're using, right? There is no difference in this. After that, it just names your devices, and it's asking you to choose a wallpaper. In the recent times, right? Actually, they have a link to our photo albums also. So either you can use your Google or Google Photos to get the albums, and also they have done a lot of things like we can do some kind of sticky notes also. So I'm going to have a new video on how to use how to get most of the features from that, okay, in the upcoming videos. So this is the initial setup, guys. Actually after this initial setup is done, right? Okay, so that's all, guys. Actually it's done now. So it has communicate, smart home, music and everything. So this is the basic things like what you can do. I just went for video. When you click on video, it directly kinds of opens some kind of web page. Yeah, this page is opens. Okay, it's basically it has a Prime Video, Netflix, and YouTube. And YouTube, it basically opens through that portal itself. Okay, so it does not have any kind of YouTube app, but it can play in YouTube. It's really nice. So I just click on YouTube. m.youtube.com. So I'm trying to choose some kind of song. Basically I'm trying to choose some kind of no copyright musics. So click on free music. So after that so this is how it sounds, guys. Okay, so just clicked on that free music. Yeah, it's opening now. Here we go. This is how the sound quality is. The quality is really awesome, guys. Okay, you can increase if you want. So 100 is if you want. The first button is broken. If you move Alexa on that, you will just put So after that, I tried to play some kind of music videos on YouTube. So it is really good, guys. And every day they are really adding a new features, and it's getting smarter every day. So this is one of the videos watching. And even right, actually sometimes it is an 8-inch screen. Maybe you can maybe kids also can easily use because it's really a kind of some 200-300 grams. I think it's more than that, maybe nearly some kind of 450 grams. So kids actually they can use it in a table and watch, because if you otherwise the kids would be like having a mobile in the hand all the time and they'll be watching wherever they want. This is kind of alternate option if you wanted to use. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your time for watching this video, and I'll leave link in the description below if you're India and if you want to purchase this amazing Echo Show second generation or first generation. Looks like first generation looks like it's not available. Maybe they could have stopped it. Description link for the second generation. Okay, if you want to buy it. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. I'll catch up in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.